Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use mint leaves in cooking. First, let's prepare our fresh mint. Always choose leaves that look bright and healthy. Rinse them carefully under cool water to remove any dirt or debris. Then, gently pat them completely dry with a paper towel or a clean cloth. This simple preparation ensures your mint is ready to infuse its wonderful aroma and taste into your dishes. Now, let's explore how to chop mint. For a beautiful chiffonade, stack several leaves, roll them tightly, and slice them into thin ribbons. If you need a more intense flavor, mincing the leaves very finely will release more of their essential oils. Remember, the way you cut your mint can significantly impact its presentation and how its flavor integrates into your recipe. Knowing when to add mint is key. For the freshest taste, incorporate fresh mint leaves at the very end of your cooking process or as a garnish. It's incredibly versatile, enhancing everything from savory dishes like lamb or peas to refreshing beverages and sweet desserts. Try pairing it with fruits such as strawberries, watermelon, or peaches for a delightful combination. Mint offers fantastic flavor pairings. It's a classic complement to rich meats like lamb, and it brightens up vegetables such as peas. Don't forget its magic in desserts, especially with chocolate. To keep your mint fresh, place the stems in a glass of water, like a bouquet, and cover it loosely with a plastic bag. Refrigerate it, and it should stay vibrant for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.